Okay, we're going to see how we can test different types of capacitors. Here we have capacitors. Those they are called electrolytic capacitor, and we have ceramic capacitor. So how to test one by one? Okay, this one is having this specification and this one is having this specification right on it. This one like this and this one. So for electrolytic capacitor specification, we have working voltage, we have maximum temperature, and we have capacitance. Means all those specifications are written on it. Here we have this capacitor which is having a capacitance of 100 microfarad, 25 voltage, and we have the temperature range is from minus 40 up to 105 degrees Celsius. So those are the specifications. Here we have another one, is not really visible, but is having a specification of 2A104J. So we are going to determine the real value of this capacitor's code. Okay, how? Let me try to test the resistors here. For the first one, C1, which is 2A743J here. 2A is working voltage. 743 is capacitance value, and J is tolerance. So we are going to determine the value of capacitance. How to do it? Here we have 743J, means here we write only two numerical numbers and the third one is multiplier. Means is 743, we add the number of zeros, 1, 2, 3. And this is expressed in picofarad. How to change this picofarad into nanofarad? Means we divide by 100 and the answer is 74 nanofarad like this. How about the second one? The second one is 104J. So J means plus or minus 5%. The same here, 2A is the working voltage while J is tolerance. Here, this is equivalent to 1, 0 means the two first numerical numbers. We write two first numerical numbers, and the third one we add the number which is equivalent to the same number, means 1, 2, 3, 4, and is expressed in picofarad. How to change into nanofarad means we divided by 1000, means we cancel here 3 zeros, and here the answer we have 100 nanofarad plus or minus 5%, means 5% is this tolerance, which is J. So here for this one we find 74 nanofarad, and for this one is 100 nanofarad. So I'm going to test using a multimeter here. Using a multimeter, I'm going to test this. So this one is 100 nanofarad. Here on my multimeter, there is a range of farad. Here is where is written F, means the range from 20 nanofarad up to 200 microfarad. So with 100 nanofarad, where did I put set my multimeter? Here, because 100 nanofarad is less than 200 nanofarad and is greater than 220 nanofarad, means I put here on 200 nanofarad. What I have to do, I switch on my multimeter and I insert here where is written a symbol of capacitance. Here I put here. So the measured value here, the measured value is 106 nanofarad. This is the measured value. So you see that 100 and 106 means is changing in they are approximately equal. So let me try to change to test the next. Next one is having 47 nanofarad. So let me insert here to see if okay, the measured value is 42. The measured value is I'm just testing. And 200 is 2.4 nanofarad. So here there is a mistake. This is 47. Is 47, 47, and this is 47. Is here is 47. So you see that 42.4 nanofarad is in the range of 47 nanofarad. Means you as a technician, you need to have knowledge on how to determine the value when you have a capacitor having this kind of code. You need to be able to read this and find the equivalent through capacitance. So for this one, let me test electrolytic capacitor. We have seen that is having 100, we have seen is having 100 microfarad. Means, let me put here on 200 microfarad and insert my capacitor here. Okay, you see that on this one, the measured value is 106. And this is microfarad. Let me change. Let me use the next one for this one. Okay, here you see the measured value is 1.7 microfarad. You see the measured value is somehow similar to the true value written on the case of capacitor. So this is the way you can test the capacitance of capacitor when you have a multimeter. And this the same way on how you can discover the true value when you have the codes written on a special capacitor. So this is the end of my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and for any comment, even you can share, there is no problem. Thank you.